Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you my latest collection of small Nautilus pendants. I have been making Nautilus pendants for a while and they are quite popular. This one is from my bigger range and this one is a medium size. You can see the size difference. And these are the smallest I have made. I love making these as they are fun to make and you can use up cane ends or scrap pieces of clay colors that work well together. These pendants all hang on a silver-plated chain and close with a big lobster clasp, which is easier to open and close. These small Nautilus pendants cost £16 each. You can find the link to these pendants and the bigger ones in the description below. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you have suggestions for other videos you want me to make, let me know too. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you for watching. Until next time.